Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to voice type on Google Docs. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for docs.google.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be sent to the home page. Here, all of your recent documents will be present, so either open one from here or just create a new blank one. Now, this type of interface will be displayed on your screen. Here, navigate to the Tools tab at the top of your screen and then select Voice Typing from the drop-down menu. Once you click on it, a new floating recorder button will appear. Now, make sure that the preferred language is selected. If it isn't, then just click on it and select it. After that, click on it and a pop-up will appear on your screen that will ask you to allow microphone usage. Simply enable it and then again click on the microphone button to enable it. Once done, start speaking, and whatever you say will be typed automatically. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.